Hold up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alima. If you are new here, welcome. You're gonna love it here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my 10 to 15 minutes quick and easy makeup. If this video sounds like something you did be interested in, please do keep watching. The first thing I do is to wipe my face with facial wipe. Yeah, it could be baby wipes, it could be face wipe, but preferably face wipes. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll just leave my face for like 30 seconds for it to dry off. Then I apply my moisturizer. It is important for you to always moisturize your face. Always moisturize your face. It is important, guys. Try as much as possible to distribute this very well and evenly. After my moisturizer, I go in with my primer. Yeah, this is Rimmel London. Just a pump is enough. The next thing I do is to apply my foundation, but I use two foundation because one is too light for me and one is too dark for me. So I just take few pumps from both bottles, then mix it up to get my actual shade. I'll be using Avo and Maybelline foundation in the shade Warm Cocoa. My beauty blender to blend. I'll be highlighting with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 312. It's very light, so this is what I'll be using today.
I'ma need a piece of mind if I can't have you. So go big. So go big. So go big. Maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between these lines, but I get not. Ooh, na 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 na. What I gotta do to get mine? I'm running into walls and I've been patient. I feel like I've been putting overtime. I'm usually not the type that's happy waiting. Can I get that? Can I have that? Can I try to get you one time on some kickback? Kickback. Oh, can I hear that? Gotta have that. I've been trying to get you on, maybe we can relax, but you keep flaking on me. So go big. What the hell you need me for? I've been trying to read between these lines, but I ask myself what for. Go big. Is this something that I should know? I've been waiting for that perfect time, but I get not. So go big. Go big. Maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between these lines, but I get denied. Where do I gotta go to get some respect? 50-50 love, where you got it? I've been searching for the exceptional, yeah, yeah. Can I get some feedback? We sexted and I called and you fall back. But I've been waiting for the perfect time just to get turned down. Can I get that? Can I have that? Can I try to get you one time on some kickback? Kickback. Oh, can I hear that? Gotta have that. I've been trying to get you on, maybe we can relax, but you keep flicking on me. Ooh, go big. What the hell you need me for? I've been trying to read between these lines, but I ask myself what for. Go big. I'ma let you go if you have no reasons to stay. I'ma need a peace of mind if I can't have you. Oh, so go, babe. So go, babe. So go, babe. Maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between these lines, but I can't deny. Ooh, na 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 na. Ooh, na 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 na. What I gotta do to get mine? I'm running into walls and I've been patient. I feel like I've been putting overtime. I'm usually not the type that's happy waiting. Can I get that? Can I have that? Can I try to get you one time on some kickback? Kickback. Oh, can I hear that? Gotta have that. I've been trying to get you on, maybe we can relax, but you keep flaking on me. So go big. What the hell you need me for? I've been trying to read between these lines, but I ask myself what for. Go big. Is this something that I should know? I've been waiting for that perfect time, but I get not big. So go big. Go big. Maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between these lines, but I get denied. Where do I gotta go to get some respect? 50-50 love with your garden. I've been searching for the exceptional, yeah, yeah. Can I get some feedback? We sext and I call, then you fall back. When I've been waiting for the perfect time just to get turned down. Can I get that? Can I have that? Can I try to get you one time on some kickback? Kickback. Oh, can I hear that? Gotta have that. I've been trying to get you on, maybe we can relax, but you keep flicking on me. Ooh, go big. What the hell you need me for? I've been trying to read between these lines, but I ask myself what for. Go big. Is this something that I should know? I've been waiting for that perfect time, but I get not big. So go maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between the so go maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between these lines, but I get denied. Ooh, na 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 na. Ooh, na 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 na. What I gotta do to get mine? I'm running into walls and I've been patient. I feel like I've been putting overtime. I'm usually not the type that's happy waiting. Can I get that? Can I have that? Can I try to get you one time on some kickback? Kickback. Oh, can I hear that? Gotta have that. I've been trying to get you on, maybe we can relax, but you keep flaking on me. So go big. What the hell you need me for? I've been trying to read between these lines, but I ask myself what for. Go big. Is this something that I should know? I've been waiting for that perfect time, but I get not big. So go big. Go big. Maybe that's why I should go. I've been trying to read between these lines, but I get denied. Where do I gotta go to get some respect? 50-50 love with your garden. I've been searching for the exceptional, yeah, yeah. Can I get some feedback? We sext and I call, then you fall back. When I've been waiting for the perfect time just to get turned down. Can I get that? Can I have that? Can I try to get you one time on some kickback? Kickback. Oh, can I hear that? Gotta have that. I was trying to get you on, maybe we can relax, but you keep flicking on me. Ooh, go big. What the hell you need me for? I've been trying to read between these lines, but I ask myself what for. Go big. Is this something that I should know? I've been waiting for that perfect time, but I get not.
Welcome back, guys. What do you all think of my very quick and easy makeup tutorial that I just did? Let me know that in the comment section. And I know some people might be saying, oh, she applied this before this. Quick one, right? There are no rules as to what to do first in makeup. Whatever it is that is convenient for you, you do it first, and that is the best. To be honest, there are no rules. So guys, I hope you all love it. Let me know what you all think down in the comment section. How do you do your makeup? What do you apply first? And do you take so much time to apply your makeup, or you just do like a 10 or a 15 to 20 minutes when you want to do your makeup, or depending on the occasion, because there are some makeups that actually take a very long time. Let me know that in the comment section, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I've been trying to read between these lines, but I get denied. Where do I gotta go to get some respect? 50-50 love with your garden.